Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the PY8NM motherboard, specifically the 0PY8NM and SAN 0PY8NM variants, designed as a replacement for the DELL 3501 laptop. This motherboard comes equipped with an SRK08 i3-1115G4 CPU. So let's dive into what makes it tick. First off, quality is paramount when dealing with replacement parts, and this motherboard seems to deliver. It's been professionally inspected and tested by qualified suppliers, which is always reassuring. Before shipping, each motherboard undergoes a full suite of tests, including screen functionality, keyboard responsiveness, battery performance, and all USB and output connector checks. This thorough testing process aims to ensure that you receive a fully functional and reliable product right out of the box. Compatibility is key, and the manufacturer stresses the importance of verifying your original part number before purchasing. Making sure your part number matches the PY8NM, 0PY8NM, or CN 0PY8NM listed in the title is crucial to avoid any compatibility issues. The specifications highlight a few important details. It's a generic brand, which isn't necessarily a drawback, especially if the performance is up to par. The CPU socket is BGA 437, and it's designed for laptops. It utilizes DDR4 RAM memory technology, which is fairly standard for modern laptops, and as mentioned earlier, it comes with an SRK08 i3-1115G4 CPU. Now, let's talk about the real-world implications of these specs. The i3-1115G4 is an 11th generation Intel Core i3 processor, which offers a decent balance of performance and power efficiency. It's suitable for everyday tasks like browsing, document editing, and light multimedia consumption. However, it's not really designed for heavy gaming or demanding creative tasks. The DDR4 RAM support is a plus, as it ensures fast and efficient memory performance. The amount of RAM supported will depend on the specific configuration of the motherboard, so it's worth checking the documentation or contacting the seller for more details. One thing to keep in mind is that replacing a laptop motherboard can be a complex process, and it's not for the faint of heart. If you're not comfortable disassembling your laptop and working with delicate components, it's best to seek professional help. Overall, the PY8NM motherboard appears to be a solid replacement option for the DELL 3501 laptop. The thorough testing process, combined with the decent performance of the i3-1115G4 CPU and DDR4 RAM support, make it a viable choice for those looking to breathe new life into their aging laptops. Just be sure to double-check compatibility and consider professional installation if you're not confident in your technical skills.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.